Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute Create a Safe Place meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees, facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Breathing here naturally with your eyes still gently closed, we invite you to welcome in security as you create a safe place for yourself. By doing so, you will cultivate protection for your mind, body, and spirit and allow a peaceful place of consciousness to be readily available at any time you need it. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils and exhale out of your mouth with a big sigh. Find the natural rhythm of your breath and breathe here. At this moment, think about a time where you felt the safest at any time throughout your life. This can be while holding your teddy bear at night before bed, hugging one of your parents or grandparents, holding an older sibling's hand, being supported by your best friend during a time of need, or being consoled by your partner. Determine this safe place and focus in on how it made you feel. Continue breathing here naturally. To encompass this protective energy, let's take a deep inhale in through your nostrils and surround your aura with security on an exhale out through your mouth with a deep sigh. Again, embrace this powerful safeguarding energy on an inhale through your nostrils, and on your exhale, seize the moment of creating your safe place with a deep sigh out. One last time. Guard yourself with this shielding energy on your inhale, and with the largest sigh in this practice, personify a protected, safe being on your exhale. Find your rhythm and breathe naturally. Think about all you have manifested for yourself and want to complete in an effort to evolve into your highest self and fulfill your purpose in this lifetime. You now have a safe place to go to when you may feel overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, or any emotions that may temporarily throw you off of your divine journey. Continue breathing here naturally. Place one hand over your heart and your other hand over your stomach and allow your body to resonate in the present moment as you transform your mind, develop mindfulness practices that work for you, and become the greatest version of yourself. Let's take one last deep breath in through your nostrils and release it all out through your mouth with a huge sigh. All right, beautiful beings. As we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale in to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am creating a safe place for myself to use when necessary. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. And I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, close your mouth, and breathe naturally. If you were laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment, and then place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this Create a Safe Place meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.